Exceptional sanding is required for exceptional painted cabinet doors. And this video will show how Cabinetdoors.com sands paint grade doors well beyond the competition. When wood cabinet doors are painted, even small scratches of imperfections in the wood will show through the paint, and varying light conditions make these blemishes visible from different angles. For this reason, oak makes a terrible paint grade wood because the grain in oak is very porous, and oak's uneven grain will show the pores through the paint. The solution to having sanding scratches ruin the appearance of your painted kitchen cabinet doors is to completely remove the scratches. Most cabinet door makers simply can't remove the invisible scratches when they're not visible to the naked eye. But being invisible in raw wood doesn't mean these scratches will be invisible when painted. We're showing some scratches now that have been stained to make them more visible, and these scratches when painted will become even more obvious. On the right, we're showing some examples of sanding scratches that ruined the appearance of wood that was finished with stain, and a stained surface is far more forgiving than a painted surface. Now, to the left of the wood scratch pictures, we're showing the sanding tools responsible for leaving those scratches. These sanding tools include belt sanders, disc sanders, and sanding blocks. The smaller cabinet door makers actually finish sand with these hand tools, but not us. Over half the cabinet doors we manufacture are intended to be painted, and our quality sanding standards guarantee our paint grade doors are truly ready to paint. Now we'll show just why our custom cabinet doors are scratch free and ready to paint. Every door we manufacture passes through the same sanding process, starting with two computerized wide belt sanders. After sanding to 180 grit, the doors have a thickness tolerance of less than 5/1000ths of an inch and slight 180 grit sanding scratches. Most cabinet door manufacturers feel that wide belt sanding is sufficient and ship their product at this point, but not us. We go through several more sanding steps before we ship our doors. The uniform thickness achieved by the wide belt sanding allows the next sanding machine to erase the 180 grit scratches while removing only a few thousandths of the door's thickness. This sander is called a Vibrating Cross Belt sander, and its purpose is to remove all cross-grain scratches. Cross-grain scratches are those sanding scratches that go against the wood's grain, such as those on the top and bottom rails of the cabinet door. After the cross-grain scratches are removed, our next step is an inspection under various lighting conditions, where each door is hand inspected and measured to ensure our industry-leading quality standards have been achieved. If we were to ship our cabinet doors at this point, we'd be exceeding the standards of the industry. But we look for perfection, not just acceptable quality. We have one additional sanding step that places our doors miles ahead of any other cabinet door manufacturer. This step is the MB Robotech rotational brush sanding system, which sands edges, profiles, and panels evenly and consistently. A video of this final sanding step is being shown now. This rotational brush sanding head slowly sands deeply into the detail of the profile and produces a cabinet door with a sanded finish that will make your painted doors something you'll be proud to show your family and friends. Not only do we offer paint grade cabinet doors with the best sanding available, we also have an extensive library of how-to videos to answer your remodeling questions. Clicking the how-to videos link being highlighted now takes you to our YouTube channel, where we have videos on everything from measuring to installing to finishing and dozens of other topics covering your kitchen remodeling project. Thumbnails of these videos are being shown. Cabinetdoors.com is a major American manufacturer of custom cabinet doors, and we supply several national hardware chains, hundreds of new home builders, and thousands of kitchen remodelers. Homeowners and do-it-yourself handymen can now buy our products directly from our Cabinetdoors.com website with savings of 50% off retail.